เน้นน้อยกำลังทำคุกกี้โอ้ดูสิยืนเก้าอี้ด้วยนั่นน่ะโอ้ move around come on move around move around move around keep moving you can hold like this oh yeah get faster yeah get faster let me this one take this one too like this no
My turn. My turn.
he said no
My turn.
okay your turn now is to get together okay do circle yes that's right you did a good job yeah
Do different
you
things.
did a good job oh.
But you know, we were sitting in the 70s to that.
Hey, don't do that.
Don't put your hand in there.
Don't do that.
It's got steel. No.
Well, you gotta keep moving it around. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
You hold on to the bowl and you keep moving it around.
No.
Okay. No, thank you.
They spin it around.
He's on the throne. Yeah, he's fucking fire. He makes fucking
Then, mommy.
All done?
All done. One more.
This guy's going to break out there.
I put syrup in it.
Put syrup in there.
More. Maybe we need more.
I got
Two? I mean, I don't know. I usually just go buy a box.
Really?
Yeah. I don't have to do this,
I
okay?
want syrup.
And DeVito is
More.
too. They're not going to carry it.
I open for you.
What they can do is they can,
You think what you think? You think is more?
Oh, here. Yeah. Small bowl.
one of those in your practice players,
I think it's
and you can activate them.
2 eggs.
I open it.
Okay. Some vanilla extract. A third cup of packed sugar.
I already mixed it.
Open
Everything
it.
I already mixed it.
Oh, you already made that. Okay.
Okay, now sugar. Come on.
2 sticks.
Come on. I put sugar. Please.
Wow, this is like an intense recipe. 2.5 cups of
No,
all-purpose
no,
flour.
Let me see what they say.
Just wait. We're not putting that in
Oh
yet.
shit.
Just wait.
No.
Haven't seen him at
Bobby.
all. You know. I mean, I would play.
Okay, now we put sugar.
Sugar. Well, this has brown sugar and grape.
I already did.
Okay.
I already have it.
Rookies, like,
Okay. Yeah, Timmy. Come on, Timmy.
Yeah, it's for, you know.
I mean, it says 2 eggs.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah. I already. Yeah. I already have it here.
Okay.
Everything.
Oh, my turn.
Oh, your turn. Okay.
Wait. Turn that off. And then do it.
Yeah.
They
Your
cut
turn.
Robinson, man.
Your turn.
It was Friday. I guess they didn't want to pay him, you know.
Yeah. More.
More.
Yeah, look.
All right, and we go. Okay.
They got gray, right? Well,
No.
You gotta turn it on too.
Oh, did you put this yet?
No, not yet. I took it away from
I like
him.
gray.
No, you
Gray
have to put it.
is the turn man, too.
All right, hold on. Let's put in some vanilla. Okay.
1 tablespoon. Don't put too much.
Yep. Just a little.
One spoon, okay?
A very little.
Tablespoon.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Sorry, scared you.
All right.
No.
Okay. No.
Okay.
There we go. Keep moving it around.
No.
Okay, but you gotta move it around. You can't leave it in one spot.
Yeah, you have to circle like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Learn how to make cookies.
Can't look a little nervous. You alright?
Cookies. I make it cookies.
Yeah. Turn around, honey. Circle, make it circle. Circle. Yes. Good job. You did a good job. Yeah. See?
I make cookies.
You're making cookies. Yes, you are.
In the middle, like this. Yeah.
Are you videotaping it?
Yes.
Of course she is.
Of course. You never miss. I never miss.
I mean, it was like 30 seconds that she missed.
Julie. Oh, please.
All right.
No.
No, Timmy's gotta do it.
Oh, Julie gonna do it. A little bit every time mommy gonna
Okay.
mommy.
A little bit. Just a little bit.
Little bit. Oh, wait. Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy.
Yeah, I know. Trust me, I know.
Circle, great circle.
Keep
Circle.
going.
Yeah, keep going. Yeah. Good job. Mommy pour. Yeah, mommy pour.
More.
Yeah, more. Mommy, more. That's it. Okay, do circle.
Circle. Keep going, circle.
Yeah. Oh my God, you're gonna have good cookies today. Okay, I hold it. Okay, mommy, pour the powder again, please.
Mommy, my turn, mommy.
Your turn.
Head on.
It's gonna take 3 years to make the cookies, but they're gonna be delicious cookies.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Okay.
No, a little bit more. You can put a little
more,
bit
honey.
more. You can put a little bit more.
More. Enough.
Okay, there you go.
No.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just holding it.
Okay.
I don't know if
Wow.
Keep it in there so it doesn't fly
Looking
all over
good.
the place.
Cookie looking good. Okay, make it deeper, yeah. Oh yeah, look, Timmy, you good job. Okay, that's it. More.
More
And then put that's more. More. You can put it all, honey. One time now.
Put it all in.
Put it all in. Oh yeah.
Good job. Well done. Great job. My turn,
My
please.
turn.
Please.
Okay.
now he backs up and he wants to help.
Okay.
To step up their game with Wolf and Shepherd.
And then the rumor he was going to Giants.
You're gonna do it. Let me just get all the batter off this.
Waller.
Probably was the only coach that was
Obviously,
Dude, please go to the NFL. Please.
You want a point?
Give me a pro golfer.
Huh?
You go to the NFL.
Pour in like
I'm
this.
taking a nap.
Pour in like this.
There you go.
Julie,
Yes.
just give me a wet ball.
Where are they?
More, honey. Put a lot. Half.
Oh, come on.
Put half.
Grapefruit, preferably.
That's
You gotta take those out.
it. No, it's okay. Gonna be good.
Oh, Robinson's the one that was on the Jets.
Syracuse this season.
B.
John.
What's that?
Robinson came from Jacksonville to the Jets.
This is for you.
No, it came in Giants.
Yes. He was on the Jets.
Enough, honey. That's it. Enough. No more.
Now
Okay.
he's a veteran.
This,
I think Saquon took all the money.
Julie.
Yeah.
This is Timmy recipe, okay?
Oh my god.
Pour a lot of chocolate.
Rice board wheat in the free agent.
But
my
okay,
God.
it's okay.
Some chocolate chip for the
Chocolate,
side of pudding.
yeah. Okay, now time for put in the pan.
My turn.
You turn on already, right?
Well, actually, during camp last
Oh.
year, he's worked his way back.
Oh, I know. Can mommy try?
No, my turn.
No, my turn.
I think it's okay now. Yeah,
Oh,
see?
right.
Look, we're gonna have cookie like a 10 minutes. Wait a minute.
Right, it's in front of them.
Oh,
Jimmy, I need you to get down,
We
baby.
have to move. Mommy gonna get something.
We need some pans to make our cookies.
Mommy,
No.
get the pan first.
We need a pan to make our cookies.
By Craig James after a gain of 15.
Where all three
How
Jet
big you gonna
defensive
make?
linemen diagnosed the play.
Put on here.
You'll see three Jet linemen right there.
Okay, one in here.
And Gray was able to go for more yardage.
Tanzel Smart got shaken up on the play.
Tackled by his own
Okay,
man.
good job.
Smart played his college ball at Tulane, former 6th-round pick of the Rams.
Get another one. Get
Saw
another
Jet
one.
practice squad last year. Gray remains in a tailback on a 1st and 10 for the Giants.
Oh my God. Too sticky. Oh dear. Okay, we get 3 lines. Oh my God, it's so sticky. Okay, one. Timmy, I'm gonna get it for you here. Look.
Entered the league.
Yeah.
College free agent with the Jets.
You said you
in
like
2001.
big one, right?
DeVito faced off and hook up with Chris Myers.
See?
And that's his own teammate, isn't it?
No, that's
What?
not. That's Chris Myers. That's Tommy Sweeney.
Tommy Sweeney's on
No,
the
no.
Okay, 2 more, 3 more, 3 more here.
I don't know if you tell DeVito to
3
take
more
some
here.
responsibility.
Here.
Go over that side.
Oh, here. Give me give me more, please. Give me more.
He's got to get that pass. That's a good
Yeah, I
pass.
know this back over.
Put it right on it.
Fucking awesome.
Missed opportunity second.
We're gonna have very nice cookie.
Yes, we
Okay,
are.
ready to go in the
All
oven.
right. Those are gonna go in the oven.
DeVito out of the shotgun.
All right, just wait. This is all full. We have to wait for the next tray. Mommy has another tray. We have to wait.
Okay.
We have to wait for the next tray. All right,
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Oh, give me 10 minutes. You can have cookie.
They go.
No, they have to get hot and then they get cold.
Oh, there you
He
go.
gets very impatient to cook something and then have it cool down. He has no patience for it.
Mommy.
So he just like, the other day I tried to make him a grilled cheese. So I had like 2 slices of bread, I put butter on each side with some cheese, and I'm about to put on pan. He freaks out. Bro, you can't make it hot. I'm like, you wanted a grilled cheese. It's like, no, you can't make it hot. And I'm like, so you
have
just
to learn, see?
Yeah.
You have to learn. You have to learn. You have to listen, mommy.
Pick six
Oh my
here.
god. So I literally gave him, it ended up being 2 pieces of bread with butter on it and cheese. Like a prisoner. You got bread and butter and a slice of
See, you
cheese.
listen what mommy said. You have to learn how to be patient, okay? Yeah, good. And now we're gonna do another one here. Now we're gonna do another one. Mommy's gonna keep you the.
Mommy, my turn.
But they're going to see
Put this down.
Contact, but
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you started this one before.
looks clean here.
Okay.
Put this spoon here.
Very
We
good.
learn, see?
Very good. You gotta take it off the spoon.
You put your hand, yes. Put your hand like that. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Do he fall asleep? Too.
Okay, well don't let him fall asleep. He's gotta eat.
Okay, another one. Another one over there.
Alright, sorry, and I gotta go
Yeah,
go
okay.
to it.
Sales kind of questions him when he goes to
Okay, put in here. Put in here.
Sales is there. He's
Like right down his back.
football there.
Put here, honey.
He allows the defender.
You have to organize, make it nice. Have to look nice.
Put that here.
Uh-huh.
On the hard, strong run thing,
You have to put on here too, honey.
he pulls the ball down and gets the throw.
Okay, put another one here.
Instinct there.
Yes. Good job, good job. Put another one there.
The pressure is
Look, my hands are dirty, mommy.
That's what happens when you cook. That's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
referee.
We can wash it. More, please. Get more, get more. Okay, put on here.
Sills recruited 9 games from Giants last year. So
Now you have to put organize in this side now. Put on here.
I know.
Okay, put on here.
Oh my god, are we gonna have 3 trays of cookies? Oh my god. We're gonna have
Giant
3
cookie
trays
here.
of cookies.
actually retreating here, and the Jets
Here, put on here. Put on here.
Yep.
Put on here. Yeah. Hey, more. We need more, please.
But you got a breakdown of your offense of your
Are you
left
gonna have some
tackle there
cookies?
because of pressure.
Oh, good save,
good
Timmy.
save, yeah.
Good save.
Yeah.
Rally there, and Sills has got to see that and work with his quarterback.
Okay, we need more, please.
The route
We
is
need
different there.
3 more,
He's
please.
got to move with the football as the quarterback has to change his arm angle.
One more, please. We need one more, please.
No.
What the heck is he doing with that stuff?
I'm making cookies.
All right. Buddy, having fun?
Yeah.
Well, hang on.
But it is being upheld as a 67-yard interception return.
Did Aunt put some cookies on a phone too? Look at that.
The replay on the
Yeah.
Look at that,
I'll
right?
show you later.
What is that on your phone?
but it stands.
A stand.
What is it?
The
No,
stand.
on the.
Where?
the book.
Cookie.
Cookie. You got a boogie cookie on there.
Cookie on there. Okay, that's it. We need another one. That's it.
Okay.
We're gonna have giant cookie together. Fat cookie.
Starting cookies good.
Yum.
Yum yum.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
said yum.
Yum, so.
Yum, huh?
Good. Sunday Night Football twice in the first part of the season here at MetLife Stadium against the Dallas Cowboys, and then they'll be on the road to take on the Buffalo Bills on October 15th.
Smell good. Julie, he said, smell good.
As well as the NFC West.
Okay, we do another one. We have one more
Ryan
to
Eagle
do.
told us this morning, I want to see how guys perform.
Let me see. ดูสิอยู่อุ้ยดูคุกกี้สิหลานชายแล้วนะดูคุกกี้หลานชาย
Stress point.
We still cooking honey.
The National Football League would cut
We
down
put it in
on
later.
Tuesday. He said, try to go out and play free.
Oh, how many
Give it your
minutes?
best because
Thank you.